attacked right now. They say she's too wrapped up in herself. Hashtag haters. Look at me! Not from that angle. And I oop. Hashtag loser. You're like totally not getting a friendship bracelet. Try my new perfume. Hashtag I'm so gonna win everything. Hashtag winning. Hashtag no filter. Are you serious? Gotta get rid of that smell. I'm so overpowered about this. Time to update my blog. Take a chill pill. You totally deserve that. I won't like your next post. Try some zombie by me. I'm only here for the trophies. I will destroy you. Hashtag boring. I can finally breathe again. Ugh, did someone here unfollow me? Oh, eat my scrunchie. Time for a detox. Hashtag stop the hate. I'm like feeling so attacked right now.